This video shows how to use the section remover tool on the FitFile Tools site. So to start with, I go to the FitFile Tools site. I click Launch on the section remover tool. And we see the options boxes like most of the other tools. And my first option is to drop the fit file that I want to remove sections from. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to select this file. This file is interesting because I went for a snowshoe and I left my Garmin Edge 510 on after I got back to my car. And so at the end of the file, a bit of the drive was on the end of the file. So I want to remove that from the file. Step 2 is I want to select my units. I'm in the United States, so I want Imperial. Step 3, I hit go. Okay, so here we see a map of my activity, and we see two graphs that show the data available to me. So the speed I recorded and heart rate, because I was wearing my heart rate monitor. I don't have cadence or power, of course, because this was a snowshoe, not a bike ride. You can see here at the end of this activity, and as I track along this graph, you can see it shows where it was in the actual activity. As I track along this activity, you can see right here at the end, my speed goes way up, and I clearly did not walk down the middle of Highway 70. And so I want to remove this section from the file. So I mouse over the graph, and I can mouse over either graph, but I'm going to mouse over the speed graph. I'm going to select the starting point to remove. So I click and hold and then drag across all the way to the end of the file. And then I release the mouse. We can see that this region is now highlighted. If I incorrectly selected that, I can just go down here and say reset. So, but I did correctly select it, so let's go back again, and this time we'll use the lower graph. I'll select it from about 90 minutes on, click, drag, hold, all the way to the end. I can also, if I wanted, select another region and anywhere else, any number of regions in the file. You can select multiple regions to remove, but I only want to remove this end one. For this, I'm not going to select collapse time. So you really only use this option if you stopped in the middle of a ride or middle of activity and you didn't move, or if you want to create a very, very clean file. This option is out there. Unfortunately, a lot of times when you select this, it will not allow you to upload the file to Strava. Strava will think it's a corrupt file. So I've selected my regions. Now I click go, processing, and it's done. So next up, just want to go ahead and upload to Strava. I will call it snowshoe. We'll make it private. And we'll upload. So Strava uploading usually takes around 30 seconds, give or take. So we wait for this to upload. Okay, and there's my activity. And as you see, I no longer have that section at the end of the ride where I drove. And that's how you use the section remover tool on FitFile Tools. Thanks.